Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of S1GM382. Today we've got a 2001 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Custom dual pipe exhaust on the 8.1 liter Vortec V8, 496 cubic inches of absolute freedom. Beautiful pewter exterior, 11U to be exact. She's in limp mode though. Come on, stay running, girl. Yeah, obviously. She's absolutely walloped, but the 8.1 doesn't care. Nobody told this truck it was in a wreck. Heck, look at that light bulb even working. A super rare interior that I've never seen before. This two-tone heated, whatever you want to call it. Will she let me rev? She won't give me any of the revs because she's in limp mode. But a lot of good parts on this unit. We're gonna go ahead and engage the transmission. Reverse, drive. All right, how about we give myself a four-wheel drive engagement? Oh yeah, four high. How about four low? Oh baby, the things you do to me. I wish I had this truck. All right, well, she's angry. I don't want to run her any longer. Let's go ahead. Let's see what kind of parts I can test here though. What do we got? Right off the rip, we got a power window not working. This thing took a hit in the fuse box. What am I saying? Climate control works though, and it's got automatic. What a weird, rare build. I'm jealous. It's got the good sun visors, the good overhead console, all the good stuff. You guys know what to do though. If you're a GMC 800 enthusiast and you want any parts off of this truck, head on over to my website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Save the GMC 800s because once all the new trucks break, there's not going to be anything left on the road. Thanks for watching.